Hello dear Goenkans, I hope all of you are fine. Dear kids, today we are going to discuss exercise 4. As in the previous video, we have already discussed what factors are and what are its properties. We know that a number is said to be a factor of another number if it divides the number exactly. And if we have any two numbers, say 8 and 4, their product is 32, then 8 and 4 are its factors. That means 8 divides 32 exactly and 4 divides 32 exactly. This is what we call as factors. Here in part first of exercise 4, which is a book work, it's on page 17(1) of your book, and part first is if 8 and 9 are 72, it means 8 and 9 are factors of 72 and 72 is multiple of 8 and 9. This is to be done on the book only. Next is which number has only one factor. There is only one such number which has only one factor, that is 1. Apart from 1, that is 2 onwards, all the numbers have at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. But 1 is the only such unique number which has only one factor, that is the 1 itself. 1 does not exist in the table of any other number. Next we have which is the smallest factor of 425 and greatest factor of 425. As all of you know, 1 is the smallest factor of any number. If we take an example, say we have 3, its factors are 1 and 3. If we take example 4, 1, 2 and 4 are its factors. If we take any number and find its factors, we'll observe that 1 is its smallest factor. So for 425, 1 will be the smallest factor. And greatest number is always the number itself. Like the same example again. 1 and 3. The greatest factor is the number itself. For 4, 1, 2 and 4. So greatest number is the greatest factor is the number itself. So in every case, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. So for 425, it's the number itself, that is 425. And last question of this exercise is 2 a factor of an odd number? We know odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. And we can observe here that none of these numbers exist in the table of 2. That means 2 does not divide any of these numbers exactly. That means if you divide any number among these by 2, you'll always get a non-zero remainder. You'll always get remainder 1. That means 2 is not a factor of any odd number. That is why we write here no. Because if we divide any number, any odd number by 2, we'll always get a remainder 1. But if we divide any even number by 2, we'll always get remainder 0. That means 2 is factor of all even numbers. But 2 is factor of 2 cannot be factor of any odd number. This was all from this video. This video includes exercise 4 and this exercise is the book work. Thank you so much. Al-Habib.